QSW here, QSW here, QSW here. QSW in this guy, QSW in this guy. Punish them if they go in, punish them if they go in. Spread northeast, spread northeast, spread northeast, spread northeast, spread northeast, ha? Spread northeast. Okay, good job, good job. We're waiting for everybody, we're waiting for everybody. Hold na, hold. QSW here, QSW here, QSW here, ha? QSW nga on, si Defen. QSW. Hold lang. Tanks on front, ha? Tanks on front. Target the DPS, ha? Spread lang. QSW, hold. Yo, propagation, Burapa in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Si Burapa. Okay, spread lang northeast. Hold lang. Spread lang. Parating na ba iba?
Zoning in na ako.
QSW. Heals lang. Spread lang. Playtime. Yo, yung mga napapanish, QSW sa to. Ito, yung isa, yan, QSW. Kidnap lang. Good job. Hold lang. Yo, come southwest now. Come southwest a bit. Come west now. Keep the pressure. Boys, no fear. Please, no fear, boys. No fear. Go west. Hold lang. Yo, propagation east na. Hard east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hard east now. Hard east on me. Nice, boys. Nice. No fear, boys. No fear, boys. Keep pushing. No fear. Uga push. Keep pushing, boys. Stop looting. Kill them all, boys. Kill them all, please. Kill them all, boys. Kill them all. Keep pushing. Ripping.
Healers sa southeast.
Come to the ping. Yung sa southeast, guys. Southeast. Need healer southeast. Hello. Need healer southeast. Hello. Need healer southeast, guys. Bayan nyo na yung loots. Mamaya na yung loots. Sige lang. Keep pushing. Kill everybody you can kill, boys. Kill anybody you can kill. Etong si returnee. Careful ha. Pwede yan mag-pop. Yo, boys. I need healers here. Hello. Guys, mamamatay kami dito. Promise, wala. Nice heal, boys. Woo! Nice one. Yo, pa-heal si ano. Ay, patay si Love BDSM. Shit. Yo, papatay na tong sword delete na to. Naka 6.3.
Paribag southeast.
Southeast. Yo, kill the guards. Yo, hammer this. Pa-revive daw southeast. Isang healer naman, please. Pa-revive. Hammer this. Hammer this, boys. Yo, yung iba na walang hammer, papatayin ng guards, please. Thank you. Click the hammer southwest, guys. Pa-click nga dito, tapos bonk kayo dito. Bonk.
What the fuck? Saan kayo nag-break?
Sa north side. Indos.
Guys, revive daw southeast. Psychom. Nasaan ka? Ping. Where?
Ito.
Saan yung southeast?
Madadagayan
East ng
nasa
castle,
loob.
east ng castle. No, we're here.
Okay. Alright. Yo, help bonking, guys. Help bonking.
Nag-rat ata to on my north ng castle. Let's go to the batang yun. Never mind.
Loot na yung mga kailangan i-loot. Yay, good job. Ilan namatay doon? 2? Sayang. May namatay doon sa guards, pre. Hindi na alam ng healer kung saan pupunta eh. Okay lang.
Nag-click out kasi kayo. So,
Oo,
hindi kayo
nag-click out.
makakapasok ulit.
Sayang. Yo, kill the lord.
Wala nag-live sa inyo. Pinapalive ni Ski.
Lagi
Nice,
nagalit
mga-
daw yung guildmaster ng regroup. Sheesh.
Bakit daw?
Bakit?
Punta daw tayo dito.
Ano naman? Oh my god. Lahat sila meron.
Di ba color si shoot ako? Naka full brawl nga sila.
Ay,
Patay niya
tayo.
Full brawl.
Okay. Sino maglulot? Ano? Janilski? Follow please.
Open ko na to.
Sige. Ay, yung ano pala. Wala pala dito. Wala ka pala dito. My bad. Officers na lang, guys. Yay.
Ayaw kaya.
Sarap